the video cut off while I was going over that last bit. So the additional description fields is actually a short code, and so what that is right here at the end. This last short code is add additional property features. You just click it and I'll update it, and you can see it pop up, and it'll automatically just do every other, and you can just click enter and add more fields as necessary, and delete the current ones just by backspace. That is how to add the listings. So let's dive into the agents now. So agents are, well, first of all, adding an agent page is pretty easy. You would just add a page. It's called agent. And you would just select the page attributes template agents. So once you've done that, we can view that. And I actually have some agents set up. Yours might give an error or have just your admin account, yeah, so agents are controlled here under users. So let's go ahead and add a new agent or user, and let's call this one John Doe. And john.doe@hotmail.com. John Doe. And it doesn't really matter what role you have him as, I'll just make him an author. And he'll display here, and he won't show up yet under agents. You have to edit him, and then you'll see this option is an agent, yes or no, and then you'll update it. Then he'll show up. And from there, you can type in bio, subtitle, office information, and as you can see, it'll automatically show up or not show up based on whether that information is displayed. And you might be asking, how these thumbnails can be entered via a plugin, and we recommend this plugin right here. If you scroll through, there's this local avatars plugin, simple local avatars. We suggest downloading this plugin, and basically what it does is it gives you an option right here, and you just upload an avatar icon, and then from there it'll just let you upload the image. So that's how you can get an avatar picture under there. And so check the documentation right there. We have a link under real estate, under the agent data and thumbnail section. So we've got our John Doe set up. Let's start adding some properties to his name. So all you have to do is edit or add a property, and you go to the bottom and you just see your list of agents, and you select John Doe, update him, and now when we click John Doe, he's got a property under him. So it's really nice. And for, let's say let's do the opposite. Let's say this property you don't want an agent at all. You would just click disable agent, say true. We'd update it, and your property doesn't have an agent. So it works both ways. The final thing to go over, let's see. Sorry, I'm just trying to access the agents page. Let's say you didn't want John Doe on there. Under agents, you can just go under John Doe, you edit his name, and say is an agent, say no. Say update user, and refresh the page, and now John Doe doesn't display. We can do the same as my first and last name test as well. Says, is it an agent? Say no. Update that user. And it's super easy to manage these agents in the page, and then you can assign properties to those agents as well. So that's just going to cover all of the real estate and agents that you need.